Okay, I'm going to go over autoimmune diseases here. I'm going to give you a brief definition as well as point out some diseases that you may have heard of but did not know that they were an autoimmune disease. So first off, the definition of an autoimmune disease. Well, what happens during this is cytotoxic T cells and B cells lose their ability to distinguish self cells from non-self cells. As a result from this, the body actually starts attacking its own tissues. So as a reminder, in a normal immune response, we have antigens that invade, our body builds up antibodies to form against them, and the antibodies remove the invading antigens. As a result, the antibodies remain and protect ourselves for the long term. That's a normal case. However, in an autoimmune disease, our immune system forms antibodies to self-antigens. The antibodies attack self-antigens, and as a result, the body has a high degree of inflammation and tissue damage that occurs. It's basically the body attacking itself instead of being directed with a high degree of specificity to foreign antigens that are invading the body. Now, a couple examples of autoimmune diseases that you may have heard before, but may not have connected into autoimmune diseases. I have a couple listed here. Multiple sclerosis, type 1 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis are just some examples. There's over 100 autoimmune diseases, and I want you to realize that they affect many different components of the body. They're not just isolated to one region or one type of tissue. For example, autism, multiple sclerosis is involved with the brain. Leukemia, involved with the blood. We have our celiac and Crohn's disease with the GI tract. Fibromyalgia with the lungs. Rheumatoid arthritis with the bones. There's many here. And these are all examples of autoimmune diseases with the same basic principle where the body is unable to distinguish self from non-self, and as a result, sadly ends up attacking its own tissues, causing inflammation, damage, and as a result, many different types of diseases.